Send Out here coming to you with another video, and this video is sponsored by the wonderful company whose information can be found in the description box below. In the box they leave this informational card with instructions and different things that you should know about their brand, along with this wig cap and the wig. All of the lengths, densities, all of that stuff will be left in the description box below, but I do want to show you this wig. Okay, so I was very pleasantly surprised. Okay, first let me say that it comes with very sturdy adjustable bands already installed, and it has 3 different, what do you call it, little levers. I just made that up. That's not what you call it, but that's what we calling it, a lever on the inside. And it's a scalp that's already in there, honey, so you don't have to do the whole method, the little ball cap method, even though I think I do want to try a different method. But just look at the partings and look how beautiful it is all the way throughout. I'm very satisfied with the quality of this wig, and I had all of this stuff out thinking that I was gonna have to bleach knots. I didn't have to bleach anything, honey. No, didn't have to pluck away or anything. Everything was pre-plucked, all of that. This one made it very easy. So if you're looking for a wig that is going to be easy, that you don't have to do a whole lot of work to, then this is the one. I just want you guys to get into this parting and this scalp and how beautiful and natural it looks, you guys. So if you want to do something really quick, this is the one for you. It's the one for you. Okay, so I wanted to do something different with this one. You guys always see me color, but I wanted to do a cut, especially since we're on hair break until I get to Michigan. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of something. Okay, so in this video you are going to see me cut this in a bob, an asymmetrical bob, and you are going to see me do a little bit of over direction. Now it's not going to be like 100% in depth. If you would like a really in-depth tutorial, then let me know in the comments below, and I will do another one where I'll explain everything step by step and break it down if that is something that you want to see. But for now, you guys just get into the rest of this video, and I will come back when we are done. are all done, and I decided to go ahead and put this part in the middle, and now I'm just going ahead and cleaning up the haircut. I want it to be a little messier and choppier. I don't know if you're supposed to say those words like that, but that's what we're doing today. And so after I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, take the flat iron over it once again. All of the information on this company can be found in the description box below. So if you want to know length, texture, company, all of that, check the links below. Okay, if you have not done so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel, girl, and then make sure that you subscribe to my website, so if you don't get notifications here, you are always notified there. Okay, so now, you know, I'm putting the wig on and stuff, and I'm just gonna play with it. I will say this, we didn't do measurements and stuff. That's not their fault, mine, but my head is kind of small. It may look a little big on camera, girl, but it is little, okay? And the wig is big for my head, so the little lump that you see isn't because of, like, I don't know, me not flattening it out. No, it's just a little big for my head, but I am going to work that out, and I'm going to show you guys this little trick, but I decided to save that for another video. Okay, so if you in your feelings about the way it's looking, get out of them, because I'll show you a trick later on. So, you know, stay tuned. But that is it, you guys. Make sure you do everything that I told you to do earlier, and check the description box. I love you guys. Until my next video. Bye, girl.
Can we still shine? Tell me that will be fine. Are we still in love? Hey, what if they all right? Baby, can we still shine? Tell me that will be fine. Are we still in love? Yeah. What if they all right? Still shine. Tell me that will be fine. Are we still in love? Why? I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true.